momentum, and the wow factor. Each category is worth up to 10 championship points, and there's only 8 points separating first from third out here tonight. So it's anyone's ball game. First up, ladies, your final chance to get those pink checkered flags in the air. I want you to make some noise for the second generation lovely young lady, Michaela, the Miss Get It Done! Again, use of course, momentum, and the wow factor. It's going to be an 8 on use of course, a 7 on momentum, a 7 on wow factor, 22 points. That will be the mark to beat. That gives Michaela 44 points in the overall. Those will be the 2 marks to beat. 44 for the overall Central Wisconsin State Fair Championship and 22 points in the Monster Truck Freestyle. Marshfield, do you want more?
Yeah!